This is the best part of the morning. Honey toast again! Do you think honey is made in factories? Or maybe by bugs? Ah, maybe the bug is the CEO or the lead engineer.
Factories? Excuse me, I just flew past 3 flowers and a pigeon for this.
Wait, you made this honey?
Not alone. Honey is teamwork.
The honey is talking!
Correction, the honeymaker is talking.
Okay, but how does flower juice become this?
Looks like you're coming with me. This all starts here, from flowers.
To know more, kids, let's zoom in.
Drizzle it on toast. You stir it into milk. You call it sweet, but honey doesn't come from a jar.
Please.
It comes from flowers, teamwork, and a lot of flying. I'm Professor B. Let me show you how we turn flower juice into gold. Inside flowers is a sweet liquid called nectar. Plants make it to attract visitors like me. When I land on a flower, I sip nectar using my long tongue. While I drink, pollen sticks to my body. This helps plants make seeds, so nectar is not a gift, it's a deal. When I drink nectar, it doesn't go to my stomach like food. It goes into a special place called my honey stomach. Inside, enzymes begin changing sugars in nectar. Honey doesn't start in the hive, it starts inside me.
Now I fly back to the hive. I carry nectar while avoiding wind, birds, and trees.
Every drop matters, because honey is not easy to make. Inside the hive, I pass nectar to another worker bee, bee to bee. Each bee adds more enzymes.
Honey is never made alone. Honey is teamwork you can taste.
Nectar is watery. Honey must be thick. So we fan our wings. Air removes water from nectar. Slowly it becomes honey. Thick, sticky, golden. We store honey in wax cells called honeycombs. The shape is a hexagon. Hexagons are strong and save space. Nature loves smart designs.
When winter comes, flowers disappear. Honey feeds our hive. It keeps us alive until spring.
That's how we make honey. We don't make honey for humans, but when taken with care, we share.
Hats off to you, Professor B, and your team. You all are so hardworking. Thank you for sharing honey.
It's a story of teamwork. If you like the video, then please like, share, and subscribe. Professor B, buzzing out.